Today, I'm going to walk you through how I manage my money on payday, from handling income to tracking expenses and making sure I'm hitting those savings goals. So if you've ever wondered what a solid payday routine looks like, stick around. Let's dive into it. For me, payday is a fresh start. It's the perfect time to hit reset on my finances, review where I'm at, and make a game plan for the next couple of weeks. Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require a bit of focus. So here's how I approach it. The first thing I do is look at my total income. This is your starting point. Whether you're getting one paycheck or multiple streams of income like side hustles, rental income, or freelance work, make sure you know exactly how much is coming in. I log this into my budgeting app. It helps me track all my earnings in one place and gives me a clear picture of my financial starting point for the month. Next up, it's time to budget. This is the real meat of managing your money. I break my budget down into essential expenses, discretionary spending, and savings goals. Here is a budget breakdown. 1. Essentials, rent, utilities, groceries. 2. Discretionary, dining out, shopping. 3. Savings and investments. For me, my essentials come first: housing, bills, groceries. Then I allow some flexibility for fun and leisure, but I always keep that in check so I don't overspend. Tracking expenses is key here. I make sure to track expenses throughout the week. I use apps like Empower to keep things simple. Every coffee, grocery run, or online purchase is accounted for. This way, I can adjust if needed before the next payday. Now, saving money is a big part of my payday routine. I always aim to set aside at least 20% of my income. A portion goes to my emergency fund, and the rest is split between investments and other long-term savings goals. Here is the 20% savings rule. 1. Emergency fund. 2. Investments. 3. Long-term goals. Remember, savings isn't just about what's left over after your expenses. It's something I prioritize. Think of it as paying yourself first. So that's how I manage my money on payday. It's all about having a plan for your income, being mindful of your expenses, and making sure you're tracking finances regularly. And of course, don't forget those savings goals. As a recap, these are the steps. 1. Know your income. 2. Budget your expenses. 3. Track every dollar. 4. Prioritize savings. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below on how you manage your money on payday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.